Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to scan documents with your iPhone. Sometimes we need to scan some document. For example, we take some picture and someone to do scan documents as like photography. Well, let's see how you can do. So I will show you how can you do with your iPhone. So if you want to scan, then you should go to like Files Manager with your iPhone. I'm using like iPhone 14 Pro. It's look like similar to other model. Now I just tap on Files Manager. Then here in the some option, this is the browsing on File Manager. So if you want to scan, then you can just tap on three dotted button, top right corner. They just tap here, then showing the scan documents. Here is showing scan documents. So I'll just show you how to scan. Yeah. It's already taken scan. But if I take photo, look like uh, how is the look if you take photo. But my scanning look like this. Okay, so if you want to just some edit like crop, you can crop here. And if you want to just color adjust, you can do here. And also if you want to just retake, also you can retake, also rotate. Many options there. You can scan your documents according to your need. So that's it, and thanks for the watching. And let me know if you want a new video and which video you want to like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.